One of the more effective ways that I rehearsed for this assessment was actually by reading the entire sonnet out in all six of the different voice qualities. And although I didn't end up using all six, because for a lot of the time it wasn't appropriate, it did actually kind of highlight moments where certain qualities were appropriate. And it felt more natural than me just reading through the sonnet and assuming, oh, a belt, kind of using belt would be appropriate, or maybe falsetto to kind of counteract that. Actually performing it in each six different qualities just made it that much more natural because you felt what was right rather than just trying to assume. And as well as that, we also ran through the sonnet a few times in class. And even though I put my own punctuation in, one of the things that I kind of worked on was finding out where I should be kind of putting the natural punctuation in. So, when I first read it through, I sounded quite sonnet rhythmed, but I was asked to kind of change where I kind of put my breaths and when I tried to merge lines together. And the first few times I did that, it kind of just sped the whole piece up because I was trying to get all lines into one breath and get through it. But after a while, obviously I had to breathe at some points in the line, and those kind of natural pauses came through, and it made it sound a lot more better because it wasn't being said in the sonnet's rhythm. It wasn't being crammed and rushed together. It actually felt like I was speaking, but the natural speech kind of had that purpose to it as well. It felt natural, and but it didn't split up the lines in an unnatural position. So it actually sounded appropriate with the words I was saying, and it sounded natural as well, which is what I think really helped, because if I hadn't have taken the time to try and find that natural balance in the way that I was saying it, the performance would have sounded a lot different and probably wouldn't have sounded anywhere near as good.